Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I just wanted to show you what I have done for replacing the terminus in my application. So in my Android and iOS applications, this is the MAUI project which I have created just before this recording. So this is just a MAUI project. You can see this file structure also. There is nothing I have added. Only I have used this main page.xaml and main page.xaml.cs file. Only by using these two files I have created this command like terminus kind of application. I can walk through this one. So first we go to main page.xml, what we have there inside. This one I will go through it. Sorry, actually I just wanted a quick review of it so that you can able to see. By the way, I'm using Mac. Inside this Mac Mini, I'm using the VS Code application. Inside that, I have used this as a Solution Explorer. Open it as Solution Explorer. So this is the emulator that currently we have. So I will stop and show it again. Application again. So once here you can see this is running it. Inside the emulator I'm opening the application. So in this emulator, as you can see, this is the home page. Only one page we have, and as per the design it is coming as background as black, and it is the command which we need to enter it as green color. So this one we just say ls. This is basically the terminus will enables users to connect their servers, Linux servers via SSH. So this is basically an SSH client. So right now we have this I have a Raspberry Pi hosted in my local network, and I have connected it through this SSH client. I will walk through the code as well inside the main page.xml and xml.cs files. So for terminus there will be some subscription price, but if you are a C# developer or so you can able to develop this MAUI application by using this SSH.NET command, SSH.NET NuGet package. It's absolutely free, and you can able to host it in your Play Store account, or else you can directly build an APK and use it in Android. So right now I'm entering this ls commands, like Linux commands. So inside this we have the Docker also. I'm using Docker ps. As you can see, the UI also scrolling a bit up because it is I've added this scrolling effect also. So you can see the permission denied while trying to connect with the Docker. So inside that Raspberry Pi Linux I have the Docker, but I haven't given the permissions for the sudo for this Docker application. So I need to mention sudo docker ps. So as you can see, this is running. So on the port which the Linux commands are already working. So currently we are at the root level. So I will just show you this one. If you are using this pwd command, you can able to see where actually we are working at. So I just go through this /var/www see this slash where slash www page we are currently at, and if I ls, there is a HTML folder also. So the Nginx users, like Nginx, the programmers can know that what is this HTML folder and what this HTML folder is used for. If anybody don't know, just mention it in the comments. So once we go to HTML page, HTML folder, as you can see, it's already changing the directory path also inside that before the $sign. So it is working fine. This is the command for showing the directories and files using showing the root, like permissions as well, permissions and owners and those kind of things. So right now it is working fine. I will walk you through the application now. Just close it, and we have the folder, and inside this we have the CS watch. Inside this I have installed this application, this NuGet packages. One is SSH.NET and also the NC SSH.NET.async, which is the version 1.4.0. So inside this, once you have included this package in your project, then you can design as per your wish. I just design it like taking the scroll view, and inside that I have added one label. So I'm given a name called display label, and I have added some colors just to look and feel like terminal. You are using terminal. So after that I've added this stack layout. So in the stack layout I have taken this label, which you can see at this level. This is the dollar symbol, which is green, and we have the entry, which is used for entering the commands. So for this entry we are also having this completed command where we are not using any buttons here. So once we edit any command inside that one, enter any command inside that one, and I click on enter, then it will work as a button press kind of thing. And this is the on counter click. This is the one which is the entire code for the SSH we have written over here. So if you go to mainpage.xml.cs file, so here I have mentioned the directory, which is first it will be this location at the root location, and you can add the host. This is my host IP address, which is in the local right now, and this is the username that I have given for Raspberry Pi Linux system, and this is the password I have given. So like this I have mentioned is as static variables, but later after doing this we can able to add the SQLite and storing these hosts and host names into that table, and we can able to add that terminus kind of storing the sessions and those things also we can able to add later. For now I'm just showing the functionality, how it works and how we can able to make use of SSH.NET package. So in the on counter click we are taking the command, like this is the command name, like entry name, which we have given in the main page.xml page. This here the x name is command. So when we press enter, then it will invoke. At that time it is taking just command into that command text into that command variable, and then if it is cd, then it will works like this, like the directory commands and for navigating through the directory and everything it will works. Instead of managing sessions, we are just using this if statement to loop through that particular where actually the user wants to execute that command. So we are positioning that user's command inside this If it starts with cd, then it will store that directory, otherwise it will run the command as it is. So like this we have given, and once the directories are set, then we are running this command. So first, if it is cd, then cd.directory, then we will go inside the directory and we are appending that display of text to this direct name and command, and the output also into this. And if we are not mentioning any cd, then we are going to perform this command, which is firstly it will go into directory and then the command will execute it. So every time we don't need to specify, we don't need to have the sessions. Instead of just going into that, we are just storing the directory information where the path we have stored, and wherever we want to execute the command, we just go into that directory and then execute that command. Like this, we just tweaked some logic here, and after that we are invoking this scroll to async method to scroll effect, so that it will scroll, like whenever we enter something, and it will append to that particular label text, and then it will scroll up. Like that it will works. And that run command which you have seen earlier, it will be like this. This is SSH command that is coming from SSH.NET NuGet package, which is renc SSH.NET.async. This NuGet it is coming, and we are just connecting by passing variables like host, username and password. And once the client is connected, then we are running this client.run command, which is the command we are passing. And after running the command, we are taking the result and we are disconnecting the client, and then we are sending the back the result. If it is any errors are occurring, that those errors also we are accepting and sending it as a result. So this is just simple logic to instead of paying to Terminus kind of application, we are just using SSH.NET. This is very useful if you are managing servers or managing your applications, just to do Docker images if anything is lying over there and stopped, or so we need to start. We don't have to come to system and do the things. If you have just a mobile application inside that, you can able to run these commands and turn on the servers, and those things you can able to perform. So like this, we just need to have the application. In the later, if you like and comment this video, and if I get more encouragement, then I will also perform this session management also inside this one, and storing multiple server informations, SSH clients, and navigating between those two servers, and those things also I will do in the later videos. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to channel. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you are looking for any kind of this kind of videos, please mention it in the comments. Thank you.